I'm audible?
Better hear them. Yes.
Hello. Hello everyone, this is Priyank. Today I'm here to talk about something important. Our Prime Minister Modi shared the 7 appeals with us that are very important. Let me discuss about the 7 things, why they matter to you, to me and our Indian citizens. The first thing is work from home. If your company provide work from home, whether you are in IT department, you are in banking department, you are in others any office work, whenever the work from home possible, so you can definitely join us. This is save your time and other things. The second thing is avoid buying gold. For 12 months, avoid buying gold. So this is necessary for us because our Prime Minister Modi says the things like if you are facing in problems in future for foreign currency, like if you are planning for a marriage, so you can use your family gold instead of buying gold from the shops. And gold is not necessary, and the import of gold is approx 90%. We are import 90% gold from the other countries like Switzerland, UAE and South Africa. This is not good for us, and this is temporary for a year. After that we can definitely buy the gold as a usual. The third thing is use public transport. Our friends, our many people use their public use vehicles, own vehicles instead of public vehicles. Like I want to eat something for in a local shop, so we can use the own vehicles. We can use the own vehicles, and I want to meet someone, so you can use own vehicles. So this is not good for us. Use public transport. A metro is converted 50 vehicles. A bus is converted 30 vehicles or 20 vehicles. So use public vehicles and become the part of the nation. The fourth thing is cut cooking oil. Cooking oil, we all know the fried food is delicious, but it doesn't mean you can waste the oil, because the 60% of oil are India. We import 60% oil from other countries. That is not good. We don't want to save the foreign currency. If we save the edible oil for the country, that means we save the foreign currency in our country. And instead of eating fried foods, use boiling foods, use steaming, use grilling, other things. The fifth thing is natural farming. Natural farming. The natural farming is the process have been used for 1,000 years in India. Our ancestors use and farmed without chemical or fertilizers and produce healthy food. That is good for our health. That is good for our economy. If we use cow dungs or many simple things, instead of using chemicals or fertilizers, we can definitely healthy, and we can definitely save our economy or our foreign currency. The sixth thing is Swadeshi products. Swadeshi products means buy the make in India products, buy made in India products. It doesn't mean we boycott the foreign products. It means we have the option, so why we can choose? We can't choose. So this is the thing. If we buy the Indian products, that means we create the jobs here. We support the Indian fellows. We are the create the development in India. The seventh thing is avoid foreign traveling. The foreign traveling is day by day increases. Many people's going abroad for education, for other things. So this is good, but India has incredible country. There is Himalayas in north, there is beaches in Goa, there is Assam, there is Darjeeling, there is many things. There is temples to visit. there is a national park. So why you can't go and traveling domestics with instead of going foreigners. So become the part of nation, take the small step in the 7 appeals and develop our country. It is our small step. Thank you.